EFF ithi uhulumeni uyaqhubeka nemizamo yokuthengisa izinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso. Leliqembu lithi lizokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuvimba ukuthengiswa kwenkampani yezindiza iSAA enkampanini iTakatso Consortium. Umholi we-EFF ubenesithangami sabezindaba ngemuva komhlangano wesigungu seqembu esiphezulu.
The current South African government had already started the dangerous and evidently the unsustainable path of privatizing state-owned companies. We condemn and oppose the disposal of South African Airways because its disposal is not justifiable and corrupt. This is absolute. There is absolutely no rationality on selling off an airline for 51 rand to people who are linked and controlled by the white capitalist establishment. We'll do everything in our power to reverse the sale of SAA because it is evident that the state-owned companies will first be made not to function well and thereafter given for free to the white capitalist establishment. The problems of Eskom and Dinel are part of the current government intention and method of incapacitating state-owned companies so that they can be later handed over to the private sector and friends of the current leadership.
Umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi bafuna kube nobulungiswa ngokubulawa kaHillary Gadi. Uthi njengoba abasolwa sebeboshiwe nje selingaqala ukuqulwa icala. Uthi beyiqembu bayingxenye yophenyo njengoba bebeqashe abaphenyi abayimele nabakwazile ukwazisa amaphoyisa ngokuboshwa kwakamuva komsolwa emalahleni. uMalema uqale wahlonipha indodana yowayengunobhala weqembu uHillary Gadi ngesikhathi enesithangami sabezindaba eGoli namhlanje.
Hillary Gadi was murdered by criminals who must be held accountable and must be jailed forever. We as the EFF are actively involved in seeking justice for Hillary Gadi and caution the police service and political leaders to not play dirty, dangerous and opportunistic political games on sensitive case of murder. The police must do everything in their power and must utilize the most advanced forms of investigations to find out what happened and who did what on the disappearance and murder of Hillary Gadi. We assure her that we'll find the murderers and will make sure that they are jailed forever. May her soul rest in peace. The EFF calls on men to stop killing and harassing women and children.